Hey everyone, this is going to be a quick video showing you how to get a cleaning rod out of an AK if it's stuck. So before we do anything, of course, we're going to safety check it. As you can see, there's no magazines in it. Nothing in the chamber. The weapon's clear. So the first thing you're going to need is your cleaning kit. Mine is in the stock. This is one of those Ka-Bar stocks. I've modified it a little bit so that the cleaning kit can come out well. Now from here, open the kit. And the only tool you're going to need is your little punch. From here, of course, after safety checking the gun, you're going to want to see if you can turn the cleaning rod a little bit. Then what you do is you take this, put it in through the hole, push it like this, and then just push it straight forward and out it should come. Now, if it's a situation where the cleaning rod is in like this, with the hole facing this way, the good thing is with this punch you can just push it in, twist, and then just get it like that. After this, pretty much you're home free. You can just pull it right out. Now, if it's in more like this, to where the hole is on the side, take and just twist it just a little bit. You just need a little bit to twist it. So, after that, once again, take the punch, put it in, get it in through, and out it comes. So that's pretty much it. That's how you get a stuck cleaning rod out of an AK. I hope this was helpful and informative. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I'll see you in the next video. See ya!